What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. Today I'm making a strawberry dalgona. We've got a super easy recipe today. All you're going to need is Nesquik, cream and some milk. I'm not going to talk too much today, so let's get into the video. Firstly, you're going to want to add 4 tablespoons of Nesquik and 118 milliliters of cream. Grab your whisk and mix until you get a fluffy, silky texture. Once you're done, add ice and milk to a glass and carefully place your whipped strawberry on top. So, final thoughts on this is that it's very sweet, but definitely tastes better than the Dalgona coffee. So if you do decide to give this a go, tag @coffeeshopphotographer and I look forward to seeing what you guys do. As always, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next one.